You don't need to go to the gym to get a bigger and more defined chest. Just work out with me and guess what? It's chest day. Hi, I'm Discipline Dave, where I put the technique in your physique. If you're new to the channel, this channel is dedicated to getting you fit at home using great form and technique without having to go to the gym. I am dedicated to teaching you how to get the body you've always wanted without having to pay for a gym membership. If you are ready, if you are committed to getting into the best shape of your life, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Today, I'll be using resistance bands by TorroBand. I'll be using an ultra door anchor and one exercise with a loop band. But all these exercises can be done with standard tube bands. You can find them anywhere from Walmart to Amazon. But if you want good quality bands with high resistance and don't have to worry about them popping on you, go ahead and check out my review on the TorroBands. During the workout, I will have a timer to prepare you for the next exercise that's coming up. And don't worry, if you don't have the ultra door anchor, I'll have a little video that will show you where to place that door anchor to do each exercise. So anybody can do this workout. But I do highly recommend the ultra door anchor because it'll make the transition for each exercise a whole lot easier. I'll have links to all the equipment used in the description below. During the video, I'll be giving out tips that will show you how to get the full benefit of each exercise. But if you don't care about that and you just want to skip to the exercises, I'll be providing chapters below that you can just skip right to those exercises. Now, welcome to my home, and I invite you to work out with me. It's kind of hot. Now with this exercise, you want to make sure your elbows are in and your shoulders are down. And as you see, my feet are planted with a staggered stance. Now I want to show you that this is the way the exercise is done as far as putting it through one loop. But the reason why I like the ultra door anchor is that you can put it through two loops and prevent the band from rubbing against your arms. So this is just a quick little tip if you have the ultra door anchor. This will work with all the exercises today. Now with this exercise, stability is the most important thing. You want to keep your chest out and you just want to make sure that you're squeezing your chest and moving your arms. Don't rock your body forward. about you, but when I'm working out really hard, I sweat buckets. as you can tell. And with that brings a lot of muscle cramps. And I find that using electrolytes about halfway into my workout prevents all those cramps. It's been a game changer for me. So just letting you know that this is what I use as the Ultima Replenisher, but I recommend some type of electrolytes if you have problem cramping. So if you're watching this video and you're wondering how many sets and reps you should do with each exercise, go ahead and check out this video, and I'm gonna give you a little tip. With resistance bands, you wanna make sure that you give your max effort in every single exercise. This is how you get real results. All right, if you're on your rest right now, you're huffing and puffing, you're going ahead and grabbing your water, go ahead and do me one extra step of hitting that like button. By hitting that like button, it lets me know that you enjoy this content and you want to see more content like this. Thank you. Now with this exercise, you want to make sure as you're coming up, you're going to have this feeling like you're squeezing your armpits, and this is going to help you contract your chest. Make sure that you remain stable and you're not swinging your body back and forth. You're just remaining stable, lifting those arms and squeezing. Now to take our chest to the next level, I'm using a loop band. I'm using a loop band by UnderSun Fitness. I have a link in the description below if you'd like to purchase. This can also be done with tube bands. If you want to see how those are done, follow me on Instagram and I'll have a video on how to do these with tube bands. Let's get ready to do a push-up. Setup is everything. Make sure that you're already starting in a contracted chest position. The most common injuries with chest exercises are shoulder injuries. So make sure you go ahead and check out this video so you know how to do these exercises properly and safely.